Ang ganda ng sinabi ni Vice Ganda about his definition of love. Panoorin niyo to.
You will know that it's love when that love is unconditional.
Yes.
Yung wala na siyang naibibigay sa'yo pero mahal mo pa rin siya. Hindi mo naman mamahalin ng tao dahil sa kung anong nakukuha mo eh. Diba? Mamahalin mo yung tao kahit wala kang nakukuha. Dahil sa pinakasimpleng rason na hindi mo maintindihan na ewan mo ba basta mahal mo lang siya.
Ganda, di ba? But here's my take. Para sa akin, malalaman mo lang na mahal ka talaga ng isang tao kapag madami siyang options na iwan ka pero hindi mo magawa. Sheesh! Oh, let me be clear ha, hindi yung wala siyang choice. I'm talking about marami siyang options. Yung mas madaling umalis, mas madaling magsimula ulit sa iba. But hindi niya ginawa. Because he chooses you over and over again. Kasi let's be honest, di ba, it's easy to stay when everything feels good. When it's exciting, pag may kilig. But the real test, kapag boring na, kapag mahirap na, at kapag may problems na. And that's where most people live. But when someone decides na ikaw yung gusto niya makasama sa buong ride, sa highs, sa lows, sa boring days, that's just not feelings. That's a decision. Pinipili ka pa rin niya, pinipili niyang i-work out, pinipili niyang ayusin kahit inconvenient, kahit mahirap. Because at the end of the day, real love stays, even it has all the reasons to walk away. Because in a world full of options, real love is choosing the same person over and over and over again. And that for me is true love. Kung may chance kaya siyang umalis, alam mo ba kung mas pipiliin pa rin niyang mag-stay sa'yo? It's up for you to find out. Let me know in the comments below.